You need one of these. One of these. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about my welding table. I think when you're a fabricator, anything that you make or build, it's definitely a lot easier if you have a platform to work off of. And when I'm working on my Jaguar, it's definitely come in very handy for projects that I need to do. So this guy I built by myself, first time building one. I went on the internet and I kind of looked around and saw what there was and see which one would be the best to suit for me, because there's obviously many different types of welding tables that are out there. This one here is called a skeleton welding table, which basically means it's got slats that run across the table. So with this kind of table, it's basically called a skeleton welding table, and it's got these slats that you can get your clamps, put it in between, and you can clamp down, and you can clamp down anywhere on the whole table, so it makes it really good when you're working on small pieces or big pieces. It definitely gives you a variety of ways you can clamp things down to your table. Also, as you can see, mine are bolted down, so if you destroy one of these slats, you could always take it off and put a new one on. But also, depending on what you're welding, if you need spaces in the welding table, you can actually remove some of these slats, and then your project or whatever you're welding can actually dip in below, so you're not really just restricted to a flat surface. Mine is made out of 3/16 thick steel for every piece of metal. This is a 4x4. These are C-channel, 6-inch, and the bar here I think is 2-inch by 4 square tubing. And I left it open in the front. I didn't run anything across, because if you're going to weld or TIG weld and you want to sit down, nothing's in your way as you're working. So really, it's a great table. It weighs about 900 pounds. It's a very solid table, and it works great for me. Also, having a table like this is very useful. Not only is it solid and secure, you can also drill and tap holes into it if you wanted to, like I did for my vise here. So my vise can either be here or I can remove it, but it's very solid. You can hammer on it. When you grind, you're not worried about catching anything really on fire. It's a total solid table.